What is going on, everybody? Welcome to my channel, Redline Mustang. Tuning back in. We're doing the V3 white clear tail lights, and we did the reflector already. There's a video on how to remove the bumper and stuff like that, but we just wanted to show you how it looks. But the main video is on the spoiler that I got on my website. This is the one that the downforce, it looks down, looks to the side, like that aggressive look on the side. Really nice and clean, super aggressive. Comes in gloss black. It covers all those holes if you have like a tiny spoiler that goes there once it's removed. And there's a video on my channel as well how to remove that small, tiny, ugly spoiler. Put this one on and move a little bit back so you guys can see. And that's the bottom view. That's how it looks. So you guys could definitely get it on the website. Links in the description below. And yeah, once we put those tail lights on, we'll give you the full look of how the rear looks. And those diffuser, the Jofers V2 diffuser middle center brake light, the strobe effect, and also solid effect, which is on my site as well. And only I made those very in the beginning, and then that's it. All right, it's done. This is how it looks. The V3 white clear tail lights. Wild.